All's quiet on Bursa's new lead market, judging from the trading volume since its launch last year. We asked Noah Pharma Chief Executive Officer Khoo Boon Wee and Chief Strategy Officer Lim Foo Sing about how it's been looking since the firm made its debut on Leap earlier last month and their plans going forward. We have some stories about Leap market recently, right? The volume and liquidity is pretty low in Leap market because it was just launched last July. And we have seen about 5 listings in Leap market at the moment. So why did you choose this type of capital market?
Leap market is still new. We believe that eventually it will develop over times. It's just like when Nasdaq started previously before it's changing to rename as an ACE. All right. And as to the main reason why we chose Leap is also because Noah still a SME company. Basically, we are looking for investors who intend to grow together with us. In short, long-term investor. So since Leap cater for a sophisticated investor, we find that it suits well to our what we call it our planning of going forward.
What kind of KPIs do you want to hit before you transfer the company to Leap market?
Internally, we are aiming within 3 to 5 years. Yeah, of course, the KPI is hopefully, we are able to continuously achieve a positive double-digit growth. All right, and I'm sure in 3 years' time we should be able to hit the expectation of going to the ACE or more. Yeah.
Tell us about your future plans. Are you going to focus more on turnkey projects?
For the turnkey project, yes, that is our aim to be there. But in order to do that, I think we need to get ourselves ready in terms of the resources, experience, and we need to also study in terms of the risk. At the moment, basically, we are bidding close to around 5 million worth of project.
Out of the 2.46 million ringgit that you have raised, 1 million ringgit will be used for listing expenses. How are you planning to use the remaining of the proceeds?
500,000 will be used for the capital expenditure, mainly for the setting up office in Indonesia and in Taiwan. And the remaining basically for the working capital purposes.
Do you already have the breakdown for each office?
Basically, we allocate 250 each for the Taiwan office and Indonesia office. At this stage, at the initial stage, it's mainly for marketing purposes. Basically, we felt that we could further strengthen our presence in those countries. As a matter of fact, like Bobby mentioned just now, Thailand. Actually, Thailand, we managed to make inroads last year in 2017, which contributed about 5% to our total revenue. So, but of course, we would like to take the step of setting up office in Taiwan and Indonesia because we have done scalable projects in these 2 countries.
So you already have a presence in Indonesia, Taiwan, and you have an office here, of course, you're based here. You intend to look at other potential countries within 2020 to 2022. Have you identified any potential market already?
At the moment, when we look at the business, because we are mainly focused in the Southeast Asia, our current business basically that we had some activities in Thailand and also in Vietnam that we are bidding at the moment. So potentially is look at how the growth there. Potentially we may look at our neighboring country first.
Taiwan is an interesting country, about 6% high single-digit growth, CAGR. So there seems to be a huge potential in this country. Tell us more about what you are going to do in that country.
Basically, our main focus in Taiwan is more toward to the BIOTECH project. BIOTECH project mainly that's involved in the vaccine project, monoclonal antibodies, those more toward to the high-tech project.